Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. This saves wasted time. Make sure Bluetooth is on, battery levels are adequate, and airplane mode is off. Once done, open the AirPods case near your mobile. That initial proximity triggers discovery. On iPhone, look for the pop-up animation. On Android, hold the pairing button on the case until the light flashes. These are the very first actionable steps. Do them now, because a clean start prevents common pairing hiccups later. Now you move into pairing. Open Settings, then Bluetooth, and scan the device list. You'll see the AirPods appear by name. Tap them to connect. On iPhone, tap the pop-up and follow the on-screen confirmations. This is a one-touch flow and restores automations. On Android, you may need to select the device and confirm pairing or enter PIN0000 for legacy devices. Once connected, make sure audio routes correctly. Check output in the control center. Finish by verifying the connection. Play a short clip and confirm both earbuds and mic work. Check left versus right balance in audio settings. Then customize. Rename the AirPods, toggle automatic ear detection, and set noise control or transparency as desired. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Reset the AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white, then rerun pairing. That reset resolves most stubborn connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.